Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll show you how to buy Robux on Roblox. So this will be a full guide, and before I start, don't forget hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for us, and also don't forget subscribe. First step is to go on roblox.com and we need to log into our account. Once you will do it, then you need to click the Robux button in the top menu, which is here. Just click this. And now you need to choose the package. You can see the available packages here. As you can see guys, smallest package includes 400 Robux and it costs $5. So in this example I will choose this one, 400 Robux. Let's click this, and as you can see we have got different payment methods: credit card, debit card, PayPal, redeem or Roblox card, and others guys. You need to choose one of them. In this example I'll show you the credit card. For example, let's choose the first one. As you can see guys, we are paying $4.99 and we will receive 400 Robux on our account guys. On the right side of the page we need to fill out the gaps. The first gap is email. We need to write our email, which is used on our Roblox account guys. Once you will do it, then you need to enter your card information. You can use your Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, or other cards guys. Just enter the information here. Enter the name on the card and enter your country. I live in Georgia, not USA state, country Georgia. And also here's the option to save your payment method, but I'm not using this option for the safety reasons. So once you will fill all of the gaps, then you can click the pay button. $5 will be taken from your card and you will receive 400 Robux on your Roblox account. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the like button. See you in the next video.